Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And at this moment, we want to build some web store that the name of web is Food Store. You can deploy this for your CV or not CV, for your portfolio, or you just post in GitHub. Okay, let's go to tutorial. And you know what, this tutorial credit of Sentry Coding, because in this I just buy the module from Sentry Coding, and Sentry Coding teach me about how to build this food store. Okay, first you must to make it AR ready to product to build this web. RD like a categories one too many in to product, and product is one too many to carts, and carts many to one to product. And this is we get the detail of the ARD like this: one too many categories to product, like this: one too many categories to product. Relation one too many use when one data in the main table categories have much data much data in other tables like product. That's one too many, like that. And belongs to, like relation belongs to use when the table data product, the example table data product is have table other data in the parent table categories. The example product two categories like this: many to one, or belongs to, like that. Okay, next we go to support tools. First we want to install the text editor. Like Visual Studio Code, and I use this Visual Studio Code. We download the plugin Studio in Visual Studio Code, and we install the web server. I use the XMPP, and two of this is recommended for web server. Next we installed Node.js because this framework, with the framework JavaScript, we need Node.js, because in this web in this project we got the JavaScript like notification like that. We need to Node.js. Okay, next we install the Composer, because Composer is dependency tools of PHP. This is for Windows, and Composer support Windows, Linux, Unix, or Mac OS. For information, I use Mac OS too. So when you use Windows, you can just go to the documentation. Okay, next we build the project Laravel project. We use the Laravel 11, then N, and use the XMPP or Laragon. If you have tried and you usually use the Laragon, just use Laragon. And if you better with XMPP, just use XMPP. Okay, when in Windows, when you build some project and use the XMPP, uh, you can put the project in folder htdocs if you use Windows. But if you use XMPP, if you use macOS like me, I don't give an from XMPP the folder of htdocs, so I just use it the XMPP like usually just to server. Okay, Composer create project. If this you That's why you must to install the Composer, because uh, we make project Laravel use the Composer. Composer create project properties Laravel/Laravel. This is for version 11, and this is for name of your project, whatever you want. Because we make it a food store, so we name is food store. Okay, maybe I can like this. Guys, just put in this circuit. The bro, wait. I got something problem. Okay, like this, and you can just enter. Next we go to, after that we trying to work the project Laravel of the project Laravel. If you use in the same terminal, after you make it this, you jump to your file, just uh, write cd space food store or space your project name, like that. After that you you try to make it the Laravel working. Use the PHP artisan serve like this, maybe. Wait, or if you don't wanna use your terminal terminal computer terminal, your laptop or your computer terminal, just jump into the file like me, jump into the file and open the terminal. You can use the Command G if you're macOS, or you can Control G, that's to Windows. I use Command G, and you write down the PHP artisan serve, and you can Command or Control click this. You can build. You can see that Laravel project that we built. Alright, next we you try to upload image in the website, so we need the storage link that make a Laravel can read the folder of storage in the folder public. So we write down the pipe artisan storage link. This is not kill, just uh, okay, just kill it. Oh, no, just plus in this. Oh, plus again. All right, because this is for artisan serve in Laravel and this is for npm. So this is for the last terminal we get to the command. Okay, that's a pipe artisan storage lanes. This public storage link has been connected like that. All right, next to the configuration env file. Okay, first because we are using the MySQL, so we change this database to this, like this. You go to env file in this env and find this. You uncomment and you change the database what you wanted, what you uh, what you use. The database connection, I use MySQL, and this is the name of your database. Maybe I want to, the name of database is db food store, like that. Okay, after that uh, in the same file .env, we find this file system disk. We change from local to public because if we use local, when we upload the image, the storage, the image just got the private, so the file cannot can cannot to show in the web. So because we change to public to open the image in the web when the user or other people upload image in VR web. Maybe we can find in this file system disk, like we change to public. Alright, like that. Okay, next, because food store have the ongkir like GoFood, we use the ongkir from Raja Ongkir. This is ongkir for every query in Indonesian, like Post Indonesian, GNA, Tiki, PCP, EASL, and RPX, like that. Okay, we install and configuration the Raja Ongkir. First, you must to make account. Make account of Raja Ongkir. Okay, maybe this is okay. This you register this. If you don't have a account, just register. Use your email. Use your company. That's a company like just company. Yep. No. Because we just tutorial to make it. So the company name is whatever you want. I just write the tutorial, just that, and After that, you put your telephone number, your address home, your home address, your password, and confirm this password. Because I have the register, so I just log in. And okay, uh, after you get the login or register, you can jump to the page of landing page of Raja Ongkir. We go to setting, profile, and we get the API key. Okay, how to see your API key? And we use this shipping cost, not shipping delivery, but shipping cost. How to show key? Just click show key and input your account password that you uh, put password a word password in the register, like that. Okay, I've got the API key, and we go to configuration. How to configuration the Raja Ongkir API? So we open the file env and write the write down this API key, like this Raja Ongkir API key, in this in Raja Ongkir API key equals, like this Raja Ongkir API key, and write down your API key. I've got the API key in this. Right. Okay, your API key. When you get the API key in this, you just put the API key when you don't make this Raja Ongkir API key in the file of env. After that, we build some new file that's named Raja Ongkir PHP in the config folder, and we put this code like this. Config and new file, that's Raja Ongkir.php, like that. We put this Raja Ongkir PHP. That's a call of API key that's in folder. This call API key from folder env and in the folder env we he sorts the Raja Ongkir API key. That means this is the API key that you get in Raja Ongkir. Alright, next we built the payment gateway. Use the Mitrans, because if you sell something, you want to have a payment about that you sell. Okay, we use Mitrans and we install and configuration. You can see this Mitrans is one of the product that's payment gateway in Indonesian, and Mitrans is a company in the Gojek group. This is how the Mitrans to work. Okay, when the user want to okay, just look it. Okay, the first step, you must register register again, but this is in mitrans.com. Just okay, mitrans. I've got the I've I have my account. So when you don't have account, just like this, you can sign up and the register business name like the Raja Ongkir. You got the company, what your company or business name, just like me, just tutorial, and your full name, your business name, and your phone number. This is for legality your business. Enter your password, confirm password. All right, after that you can get the landing page of the Mitrans. We use the sandbox because we just uh, make this for tutorial, but if you want to make this for real and you want to have a food store, after you make it in sandbox, you can go to and change the environment sandbox to production. And this is for Mitrans account activation step. That's mean of your, if I buy something to you, I payment, and this payment gateway uh, can work and you can get my money like that. In the sandbox, you cannot get the money because this is just from dev not development, like pengembangan. But in production, that's the payment gateway uh, work like usually like in Shopee, Tokopedia, or Alibaba like that. Okay, this is for sandbox, and after that we go to setting and access a key to have the credential of merchant ID, client key, and server key. How to get that? Just go to setting, the setting, go to access key, and you get this merchant key, client key, server key. We need this to in env file. Okay, after that we get to next step. We use the composer to require Mitrans in our project. We use the Mitrans Mitrans version is 2.6.1. Or if you wanna use the uh, what we what we what we call it is the update version, you just go to GitHub, GitHub Mitrans PHP like that. But in this web store, we just use Mitrans version 2.6.1 like this. Make sure you're in your project, and uh, you download in your project terminal like this. Yeps. After that, we build Mitrans client key, Mitrans server key, and Mitrans is production to in the file of env like this. Go to file env and we get this. Mitrans client key, Mitrans key, and Mitrans server key, and Mitrans is production. Karena because we use the sandbox, not production. uh, after you want to production, this env file just not false, but you can change the true. Okay, the client key we are currently just copy and paste your client key when you get in mid-trans, what you get in mid-trans, and this is for your server key too, in this like that, bro. Save, and we go to next step. We built new file that's name is midtrans.php in the folder config like Rajong here before, but this is for get to client key, server key in env. It's all in env. Okay, we built midtrans.php like that. Midtrans.php like this. This is get from, this is like a client key, get the API key for env file, and this is for API of your midtrans client key like that. Okay, this is for the first step when you want to get the web of store. The next video I want to uh, I want to make it the migration and database header maybe, or model. Okay, guys, that's for this part one, and see you in the next video, guys.